Hello, my name is Yazin Abdin, managing partner of Abdin Law, an immigration law firm. I'm joined by my friend and colleague Lorraine, who is our Portuguese expert, and she will be translating everything I say in hopes that our Brazilian clients will be able to understand as well. So the purpose of today's video is to cover the asylum changes that have recently happened. And so the goal is to summarize these changes so that hopefully you can file your work permit applications and asylum applications prior to these new rules taking effect.
Então, no vídeo de hoje, a gente vai falar das regras que mudaram para quem quer aplicar caso de asilo aqui nos Estados Unidos.
So the first rule change I'd like to discuss with you is the removal of the 30-day processing provision. What is the 30-day processing provision? When you're an asylum applicant and you submit your work permit application, USCIS had 30 days to process that work permit application. However, they're getting rid of that 30-day provision, so moving forward, it could take much longer to receive your work permit. And this new rule will take effect August 21st, 2020.
Depois que você aplica o seu caso de asilo aqui nos Estados Unidos, você pode aplicar work permit após 100 dias. E a imigração, ela tem 30 dias para estar analisando essa sua aplicação de work permit. Agora, eles podem levar o tempo que eles acharem necessário. Eles podem levar 100 dias, 200 dias. Não há um tempo específico para que eles possam te dar ou não esse work permit. Essa nova regra, ela vai começar agora, dia 21 de agosto de 2020.
The second part of the changes to asylum and work permits is if you entered the United States illegally, you are barred from getting a work permit. Of course, as with many laws, there is an exception. If you are able to show good cause, then you can apply for a work permit.
Se você entrou ilegalmente aqui no país, você não será elegível para aplicar work permit. A não ser que você tenha bom caso, que você tenha boas razões, você pode aplicar para o work permit e eles vão fazer essa análise para você.
The third change has to do with who is eligible for a work permit, and there will be new bars and denials to who is eligible. For example, certain criminal behavior could make someone ineligible for a work permit based on asylum.
Agora tem uma nova restrição para negações que eles podem apresentar. Uma delas é se você tiver algo no seu passado relacionado a crimes, talvez eles possam negar o seu caso de asilo aqui dos Estados Unidos.
The next rule change has to do with the time period that asylum applicants have to wait before filing their work permit. It used to be that once you filed your once you filed your asylum application, you had 150 days you had to wait before being able to file for a work permit. This new rule changes that 150-day time period to 365 days. So now, after filing your asylum application, you must wait 365 days before being able to file your work permit application.
Antes dessas regras, quando você aplicava o seu caso de asilo, você tinha que esperar 150 dias para aplicar o seu work permit. Só que agora, você aplica o seu caso de asilo e você tem que esperar 365 dias para você aplicar o seu work permit.
The next rule change has to do with the validity of the work permit. The maximum validity for work authorization will be 2 years moving forward.
A validade desse work permit agora vai ser apenas de 2 anos.
And the last part of the rule has to do with asylum applications that are denied. If your asylum application is denied, then your work permit is automatically terminated.
Se o seu caso de asilo for negado, o seu work permit ele vai ser cancelado automaticamente, na hora.
So this is a general summary of the rule changes that have to do with work permits and asylum. We hope you found this video helpful. Remember that this is not legal advice because every case is different, every fact pattern is different. So if you have specific questions, contact an experienced immigration attorney. Otherwise, use this information as knowledge. Hopefully it helps you. If you found this video helpful, we would really appreciate it if you like and share our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.